Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi R8 bumper in CPM2. First, enter your garage and choose your Audi R8 model. Next, head over to the Customization or Body Shop section within the game. You'll find various options there for modifying your vehicle's appearance. Look for the specific menu that allows you to adjust or remove body parts, including the front or rear bumper. This initial step is crucial for accessing the modification interface and beginning your work. Now that you are in the modification menu, it's time to locate the fasteners. Carefully examine the bumper for any visible screws, bolts, or clips. These are typically found along the wheel wells, underneath the bumper, and sometimes near the grille. Use the appropriate in-game tool, often a virtual wrench or screwdriver, to remove each one. Take your time to ensure every attachment point is identified and detached. With all fasteners removed, you can now gently pull the bumper away from the car's body. Be mindful of any remaining clips or tabs that might still be holding it in place. Sometimes, there are also electrical connections for lights, parking sensors, or fog lights. Carefully disconnect these wires before fully separating the bumper. Once detached, the game usually prompts you to place it in your inventory or a designated storage area. Congratulations, your Audi R8 bumper is now successfully removed. Take a moment to confirm it's no longer attached and is safely stored in your inventory. If you wish to reattach it or install a different bumper, simply reverse these steps. Align the bumper, reconnect any wiring, and then secure all the fasteners. Always remember to save your game progress after making any significant modifications to ensure your changes are permanent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.